guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make puff. The first thing you have to do is put your flour, and after putting your flour, then you're going to put an inch of salt. So look at the amount of salt you're supposed to put. After putting an inch of salt, then you're going to put sugar. It depends on the amount of sugar you want. Like, if you love sugar, you can put more, and if you don't really like sugar, you can put less sugar. And after putting my sugar, then I'm going to put yeast. And after putting your yeast, then you're going to mix all of them together. After mixing all of them together, you're going to add warm water and mix all of them together again. Okay guys, I have finished mixing it, and this is how it's supposed to look like this, okay? And so now you have to cover it and leave it for 1 hour. Okay guys, it's now 1 hour and it's time to fry it. Can you see how it rised? I already put the oil in the frying pan, and I'm just gonna check whether it's hot enough for me to start frying. But it shouldn't be extremely hot, unless the inside will not be done. It's only like outside that is gonna be brown. So you should make sure it's not, the oil is not extremely hot. So I'm just gonna check now whether the oil is hot enough for me to start frying. No, it's now hot enough, so it's time to fry. And while you're bringing it down, you're supposed to reduce the light so that it won't be so hot when you put another one. Okay guys, now just look at my puff. I made it brown because my mom loves it brown. Okay guys, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye!